Alright you guys, so in this video what I wanted to do is show you how you create your own scanner profiles. The premium scanners, as opposed to the previous generation or versions, the S series scanner, the X, and then the 3D focus scanners, all had a different way of displaying profiles. The new ones, or the premium scanners, and even the core scanner has the accelerated, standard, extended, and object HD profiles. They're great to start with, but if you're old school and you want to have your own profiles, go ahead and actually create them the same way they were there before. What I also am going to provide you with is, if you don't want to mess around and create all of them, I will link my file down in the description to the video so that you can actually download the file and install it on your scanner if you don't want to be messing with them. So it's relatively simple. I usually start with the accelerated profile because I know it's the nearest to the indoor profile. I'll hit duplicate and I'll create, name it the way it was named in the past. So it's an indoor 10 meter profile. This is what it was called in the past. The resolution and the quality is actually correct over here, so that's stays. In the past, indoor didn't need GPS, so I'll turn off GPS here. I also want to take pictures, and the pictures are inside. If you're doing an apples to apples comparison, then you want to actually change this to horizon weighted metering, because that's what all the previous scanners actually did. If you don't, obviously you can change the different setting here, but we will leave all these be. Nothing else needs to be set here. So this is correct. Colors, oh, we just went to color settings, so we don't need to do this. And this should be near. Okay, so this is correct. My indoor up to 10 meter profile is created. Now I can go ahead and actually create the indoor more than 10 meter profile, and I'll just carry on and go creating these accounts or these profiles. All right. So we have most of the basic ones. The indoor 10 meter, again, it should have all of the settings set the way we want them to be. We have the outdoor, and then we have the outdoor far distances. So these are all here now. If you want to get rid of your accelerated, standard, and extended and object HD profiles, there's no way to delete them. You see there's no button for them. So that is something that you have to live with, but now they will be a little bit more familiar as far as options upon starting a scan. So if I go into parameters, obviously I'll have the traditional outdoor, indoor profiles. The sorting of these is a little bit haphazard, unfortunately. There's no way to easily sort these where the ones that you want to be just bunched up near each other, but it's still better than just using the accelerated profiles. All of them include actual color calibration and color capture. You can mess around with obviously the quality settings, and they are somewhat different quality settings on the premium scanners than they used to be on the older scanners, but that's it. Now what you can do is just proceed like you used to and select the outdoor profiles and indoor profiles and just start scanning as if it was the scanner from the previous generation. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below.